Tools that we need today, folks. Two. This isn't what we need today. This is just a little adapter that I made. We're going to take this dryer outlet and put this 50 amp on it. And folks, here's what we need, folks. Right here, folks. Here's what we need. Look at that. We're going to say goodbye to this. Let's see what it is. And folks, don't do this with anything plugged in. Only some of you will know what type of knife this is. Most of you are going to right away say it's a you're going to think that it's a knife that's used for linoleum. Nope, sorry. I imagine you can use it for whatever you want to. But as you can see, you do whichever you want to. The only reason I'm doing this, folks, see what's going on. And I'm probably, I know you guys all, you cutting too much. You don't need to cut so much off, y'all. I know. Don't you want to see what I'm doing, though? Do you see how easy it is to roll around that wire like that? No, some of them do just like this. They do just like that. They grab that wire and they do just like this. And they just, whoosh, and boom, they get right in there. And they already know that they, don't you love those flies that just right there with you all the time? And that right there. And I'm being a little dramatic with the knife, folks. I know, cut it out. But you see how easy it is? We can just get right in there. I'm gonna take this. This is Craftsman. Don't ever stop this, but I'm still on board. Electricians, what they used to do, they blow shit up and then they go back to Craftsman and say, "Give me another one," and you could get a new pair of pliers. And this is an electricians like these things sometimes. Some don't. You might get made fun of, but. Well, look what they can do, folks. Look at all that wire. Look at all that wire. Just like that. All right. If you'd quit dropping the short plug out of here. Maybe we can get that to stay put for a minute. For a minute. Ah, look, there's the 4-wire we put on there a few years ago when they changed the list. I did that. Or did it? Let's raise this on up. Tom, boy, what's going on, boy? Kitty. He is not happy. Didn't get the mouse. Dove in the crack today. And he didn't get the mouse. Poor guy's been sitting there all day. All morning in one spot waiting for a mouse that's not even there. Sucker took to the weeds. Alright, that took about a lifetime, but look how easy this is, folks. And of course, I'm just gonna I could practically just leave everything just like that, stuck in there and change it. That's how nice this is working out. I don't need to take those out of there. I already know what they're doing. So, light one, ground. Goodbye to that. But here, folks, but look here. What do we do with this? We got 4 wires. We've got 4 wires, and we know 2 are pretty important. And the electrician's way on the 220 to wire stuff up. In the United States is like 2 hot wires, neutral, and a ground. So technically I could leave both of these alone and just use these and everything will be just fine. Yes, I said that. But now what are we doing? Are we taking a guess? We're going to peek in there. I'm going to take a guess and we'll call it the green for ground and 2 hots. And we'll leave the white out. Leave the white out. So let's do that. So this is how we're going to do it. We know that needs to pinch in there. Alright folks, enough of this shaking around. We know it's going to end up looking like that. We know these two are going to end up there. And we know this is going to end up all the way up there. So that's the way we'll do it, folks. A couple of that off. It's not much. Oh, bad thumb. Let's see what we're looking like. That looks like that'll work. And let's send that one right up there. Huh? What do you think? We'll cut that one. I shall. Just like that. Boom. Oh, why was that easy? Why was that easy? Why was that easy? And a lot of this is this is what the electricians do today. And they don't even care. Old timers tuck that stuff in there and say, hey, we're going to need that for the next time we're here. And you guys know what that means. You're an electrician if you know what that means. We're a contractor. Dun, dun. I know what all of you are saying. You're doing it all wrong. For sake of the video, folks. Hey! Oh, well, it keeps disappearing on you. You want to make sure we put that in the U. When you take it out, it's a U. U. Let's do a couple twists. In the U. Camera's trying to move around, folks. And the cat is back at the motor skills. Back the bus up. I know a lot of you are already screaming, why have you not even taken that apart? Well, sometimes, folks, you don't need to do all that. You can just leave it there, and then you don't have to go through that step of pulling it out and looking at it just because you want to look at it. Take a look-see. And get her to go down the little corner. Here today, folks, on Just Repair the Good Stuff. We picked up a welder from Dale. Thank you, Dale. There's going to be a little more on the welder, but here's $225 Tombstone. Lincoln. Still made today, and what we're after, folks, is 225 amps to get the good weld on. So, yeah, Dale, I appreciate it. Don't know. I'm gonna guess and say that you put the feet on it. Stellar, man. Stellar. Today's video, folks, what we're going to do is we're going to take this. It's the good old, it's a 4-wire, I don't know, oven, dryer, new updated 4-wire oven dryer plug, oven outlet, put it into house, whatever, unplug the dryer type of thing and use it. But what we're going to do is we need the good old, this is what we're after right here, folks, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to put this 50 ampere on that 50 ampere.